Welcome to Plant a Garden TV. I'm just here today. Honestly, I'm tired. I was doing some work today, so I didn't get no chance to really come over here earlier. So this is later in the evening, and I'm harvesting some potato. My garden is a mess because I did not get the chance to come and take care of anything. So it's like all over this where I reap potato already. Look, I have a few on the ground. You know, up there is where I have other things, cucumber, other stuff. But right now, it's so bushy, man. It's really bushy. So today, I'm harvesting some potato. I'm digging some potato. So, see, this is one I got here. Straight over there in the hole. Oh, look another one. Look how big it is. Ooh, look at this one. Look at this one. Big. This I always tell you guys. When you take care of your garden, you will harvest a lot of stuff. You see? Look at another big one. Watch. That's dinner right over there. In these holes, I'm going to plant back some cabbage. Watch here again, you see? Watch. Look the size of potato I'm getting from this. You see, look over there. Yeah. Look another one. You see? Nothing wrong to plant your garden and harvest your own garden. Just want to make sure that there's no more inside here. Okay. So I'm going over here now. The bush and them take over. You see, first you got to allow the potato them to dry. The leaf them, you got to allow them to dry. Okay? So you see how this leaf dry down, even the stalk is dry. So all I'm gonna do here now, I'm gonna come a little wider and I'm gonna dig like that. Ooh, look at this size. You see what I'm talking about? Once you take care of your garden, you're gonna be able to harvest. Look at down in there. Look how beautiful. You see the size? Thank you guys for watching my video. Please like, subscribe and share. The next one again, put it over there. It's amazing. Ooh, look at this. Yeah. Ooh, look how these things looking healthy, beautiful and healthy. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, I harvest a lot of potatoes so far. This is my second video showing how much potato. All this, the whole line go over there I harvest already. This one, you know, so I have this one to harvest now, and now I'm doing this one. So let's see. Okay, still have another one here. Another one here to harvest. So let's clear this up and see what we have here. So let's go. I'm using a shovel, but that doesn't mean you gotta use a shovel, because you could dig up your potato. So what I do, I dig from a distance. Okay, this is one. There's one right there. Oh, wow. Look guys, this is another. You got to think, because okay. Oh yeah. If any left, they're gonna spring back up for next spring. Yes guys, so don't forget to follow my channel, Plant a Garden TV. This is what I do: plant my vegetables and then harvest. So this is a few of my potato. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe and share. So I'm gonna continue do this one. Thank you.